Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a water pump on a GMC Yukon. First, let's gather all the necessary tools and supplies. You will need a new water pump, a fresh gasket, and some RTV sealant to ensure a leak-free seal. Have your wrench set, socket set, and a large drain pan ready. Remember to work on a cool engine to avoid any burns. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process, saving you time and effort in the long run. Now, let's get started by draining the old coolant. Place a large drain pan directly under your radiator. Open the petcock or carefully remove the lower radiator hose to allow all the coolant to flow out. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Once drained, loosen the serpentine belt tensioner and remove the belt from around the water pump pulley. Finally, disconnect any hoses connected to the water pump, preparing it for removal. Proper disposal of old coolant is crucial for environmental safety. With the coolant drained and hoses disconnected, it's time to remove the old water pump. Locate and remove all the bolts holding the pump to the engine block. Gently pry the old pump off, being careful not to damage the engine's mating surface. Once removed, meticulously clean the area, ensuring no old gasket material remains. Apply a thin, even bead of RTV sealant to your new gasket, then carefully position it on the new water pump. Install the new pump, tightening the bolts to the manufacturer's exact torque specifications for a secure fit. Almost done, reconnect all the hoses to your newly installed water pump and put the serpentine belt back in place. Ensure the radiator drain petcock is closed or the lower hose is securely reattached. Now, slowly refill your cooling system with the correct type and amount of fresh coolant. Start the engine and let it run until it reaches its normal operating temperature, allowing any trapped air to escape. Keep a close eye on the temperature gauge and carefully check for any leaks around the new pump and hose connections. Congratulations, you've replaced your water pump.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.